To pay bills you entered in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then click the Pay Bills link under the Vendors heading in the menu that appears to open the Pay Bills window. This window shows the bills you entered. To select the account from which funds are drawn to pay the bills, use the Payment Account drop-down at the top of the window. The selected account's current balance appears below it. Then enter the date of the bill payment into the Payment Date field. To print the bill payment checks later, check the Print Later checkbox. Alternatively, to enter the starting check number to record checks already created, uncheck the Print Later checkbox and then enter the starting check number into the Starting Check Number field. Bills for the last 12 months appear in a list in this window. To filter the bills, click the Filters button at the top of the list. In the drop-down that appears, you can filter the bills using any of the additional drop-downs that appear. To only show overdue bills, check the Overdue Status Only checkbox. To apply the filter, click the Apply button in the drop-down menu. To reset the filters, click the Reset button instead. After applying a filter, the currently applied filters appear to the right of the Filters button. To remove a filter, click the X by its name. Alternatively, to remove all filters, click the Clear Filter / View All link. The list of bills shows a checkbox column and a payee, reference number, due date, status, open balance, credit applied, payment, and total amount columns. You can click the column headings from Payee to Open Balance, excluding status, to sort the list of bills by the column's values in either ascending or descending order. The sort order changes each time you click the same column heading. To select a bill to pay, check the checkbox to the left of the bill. To select all the bills, check the topmost checkbox in the column of checkboxes to the left of the Payee column heading. To deselect all the selected bills, click it again after it is checked. The total payment amount for all selected bills appears below the total amount column and in the upper right corner of the page. After a bill is selected, the bill's full amount appears in its Payment column. To make a partial bill payment, enter a smaller amount into the Payment field for the selected bill. The bill will still appear within the Pay Bills window later, but its open balance changes to reflect the partial bill payment. To cancel the bill payments if needed, click the Cancel button in the toolbar at the bottom of the page. To save the bill payments and/or possibly choose another action too, click or select a choice from the drop-down button at the right end of the toolbar. The choices are Save, Save and Print, Save and Close, and if online bill payment is enabled through QuickBooks Online, Schedule Payment or Schedule Payments. To create the bill payment checks and mark the selected bills as paid, click the Save command. To open the Print Check window and show the bill payment checks, click the Save and Print command. This list also contains any other types of checks waiting to be printed too. To create the bill payment checks, mark the bills as paid and close the window. Click the Save and Close command. To schedule the actual bill payments through QuickBooks Online if enrolled in the service, select the Schedule Payment or Schedule Payments command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.